What's up, guys? Rich here from thisisions.com. Today we've got a new unboxing for you, a special package from Philips, the Philips Hue Bridge. If you know Philips Hue bulbs at all, they are a smart light bulb that allows you via an app to turn them on, change the color, really automate your home in neat ways. And this package holds the Philips Hue Bridge, a device that will connect those bulbs to Apple HomeKit. It is part of the brains behind the Hue bulb. The bulbs themselves are smart, but you need this to kind of get them to talk to each other and everything else around you. Open this guy up here. Let it never be said that people don't love their empty cardboard. So here we go. This is the main deal right here. This is the Philips Hue Bridge. See, and part of the reason that we're testing this is we're going to test it with the Apple HomeKit system. If you've been following our series on home automation, you know we've been diving into Apple HomeKit, Alexa, IFTTT, and so this is going to work with all of them, but this is made specifically for that. They call this the heart of the Hue system. There's a couple of neat features about this. You can add up to 50 Hue light bulbs. Those are the lights. Hue also makes a variety of accessories, and each bridge, usually you only need one for 50 light bulbs, but you can add up to 10 accessories. Accessories like dimmer switches, regular switches, all kinds of extra add-ons that Philips makes. This is a pretty good example of the setup here. This is your bridge. These are your Hue lamps, light bulb, what have you. And of course your accessories, your switches and stuff. Right in your Wi-Fi will get to your phone. The app is where it all happens. There is no real interface with this besides the app. Let's open this guy up. It's packaged really nice, really slick, like we expect from Philips these days. Philips has learned a lot, I think, from Apple and a few other companies about making slick, good-looking, and useful products. I will say right off the bat, it feels not cheap, but light. It feels like I could accidentally sit on it and crush it. It doesn't feel strong and sturdy. You imagine it's going to be sturdy, and it doesn't feel cheap by any stretch, but it is quite nice. So you got your power, your 5-volt DC, and you got your local area network going in here. There's a couple ways to set this up. This information is important. We set one up last time in the office, which you can read about on our review on thisisions.com. We actually hung this on the wall before we set up to HomeKit. You will need that number. Don't do that first. Make sure you have that. And of course, you've got your power supply here. Leave that over there. Additional plug for the... I don't know why that's like that, but it is. That is a... If you can take a close look at this, it will click in. It will very much click in. That's what it says. Comes with its own local area network. So this is not a particularly long... It's a Cat 5e, so it's a good quality, but it doesn't say how long it is. It doesn't feel particularly long. You may need, depending where you want to put this, and depending where your modem is, or your LAN, your router, whatever you're using, you may have to put and get a longer one. You know, from the packaging, this looks like it's pretty slick, and you might be very much okay with simply hanging it on a wall near your TV, in the hallway, like some people hang their modems on the wall, all for everyone to see. If you want to do that and you're close enough, you can with this. However, I would always recommend getting a longer one if you need one. The number is also in here. So Philips Hue this is a bridge, and it is the brains of the Philips Hue smart lighting system. It will hold up to 50 light bulbs, but only up to 10 accessories. You can get all kinds of pieces and bits and lights and lamps and LED strips, and you can do really cool things with this. especially when you're plugging with HomeKit, especially when you plug it in with the system IFTTT, which I know we've talked about. There's a video on Ions right now all about what IFTT is. And you can definitely think about doing the most ridiculous kinds of automations you would like, such as have this blink your lights when you get a new tweet. It can do that. It can do anything you want, really. So that's our unboxing. We'll be back with a setup video for the Philips Hue. You can read about our bridge review online. You can get a link to buy it via Philips. And as always, everyone, live the future. This is ions.com.